I just absolutely love the fucking rain and the rainstorms and the thunder shows and the fucking lightning shows and the lightning striking pretty close, so that's what enticed me to pull out my camera. We'll just wait for something to strike. Let me use my powers. Ah! Ha! Ha! Alright, ready? My powers. 3, 2, 1. Right here. Right here. That dark spot right there. Oh! Nothing? Ooh, that was pretty good timing. I'm getting wet. Wow. There's this one lady, like, all she was like, every time she moved her fingers, like, the sky would light up. Like, you know, but she was just manipulating the camera's fucking settings, like the automatic, every camera does it, you know, it automatically adjusts. And she thought she was like, she thought she had powers, y'all. Oh! That was tight. That was fucking tight. Car alarms. I'm gonna do another video, but have the camera facing out, because that's like a better camera. It's like more high quality. Oh! Woo! Bro, I don't know about that one, dude. 2 close ones, 2 loud ones cracking like that. I'm like partly joking, but like not fucking really, y'all. You don't fuck with lightning. Is that a bird? Is that a lone bird? What is that bird doing? What's the rainbow? That bird's like, help me where I land. Thing is, it'll only last like 5 more minutes. It's Colorado Springs.